Hey guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. तो आज के वीडियो में I'm gonna be sharing some of my gold and diamond rings with you guys. Now I have a few disclaimers to give out before I start today's video. Firstly, I don't do a lot of collection videos. I think I must have done some in the past, but I don't do a lot of them, okay? I generally post hauls, vlogs, travel vlogs. That collection videos I have done, but like I said in the past, okay, I haven't done too many recently. Today I thought why not just bring it back, and you know how I wanted to bring it back is by doing this cute little video on my gold rings collection, like gold and diamond rings. Some of them that I have built over the years. I wouldn't really say over the years, these have maximum happened during my wedding time, because wedding time is a time जब आपको ज्वेलरी के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है, आप लोग को ज्वेलरी मिलती है, आप खुद खरीदते हो. As much as I can see from the like the demographics and all of that, all of those data on my channel is that a lot of people who view my channel, a lot of my audience is basically they are women between the age of 25 to 35, and I think that's pretty much an age जहाँ पे women buy their own jewelry or invest in jewelry or get married. So I think this is something which will interest a lot of you, and even if you're somebody who is new to my channel, I really hope and feel and wish that this video is going to be helpful for you in some way or the other. So मैं आप लोग को थोड़े बहुत डिजाइन्स दिखाने वाली हूँ and discuss करने वाली हूँ. So I'm very excited for today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I basically wear around 4 rings all the time, okay? Like I love wearing rings. I think more than wearing jhumkas, I love wearing like small studs, small earrings, and I like wearing rings a lot, okay? So on my left hand, I usually have 3 rings, and on my right hand, I just wear 1 ring. So I would like to start with this one first. So this one is an American diamond ring, okay? It's like a huge American diamond, if you can see. I think you can see it now. So this is a huge American diamond ring. I'm wearing this I think since I was in middle school, I would like to say, like class 8, 9, somewhere around that time. This is something which is an astrological addition to my life. So my mom used to consult an astrologer for our whole family, and मेरे लिए उन्होंने बोला था मुझे रिंग पहनाने के लिए, एंड डायमंड रिंग पहनाने के लिए, अमेरिकन डायमंड रिंग या नॉर्मल डायमंड रिंग पहनाने के लिए. तो मुझे मेरे घर की तरफ से ये वाला रिंग दिया गया था, विच इज़ अमेरिकन डायमंड, जो कि गोल्ड में बना हुआ है. एंड या दैट्स दैट. आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग इट फॉर so many years right now, you guys, and I completely love this ring. I'm very fond of it actually. So I will move on to the next ring which I'm wearing currently. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you. This is not a gold or a diamond ring, but yet it's a very special ring for me since I purchased this with my own money, you guys. So this is the next ring that I would like to show you. Now this is something which I had got from Jaipur. So I was traveling to Jaipur in 2022, and I had gone there for a legal conference actually. So वहाँ पे basically emerald jewelry is very famous and very authentic and popular. तो मैंने जयपुर से ही एक jewelry shop से मैंने ये वाला emerald ring लिया था, and it had costed me rupees 3,000 back then, and I think for 3,000 rupees this is just so much worth the money. It's so beautiful. Even my mom just loves this design, and yeah, I think nowadays I'm wearing it regularly to work and everything. So yeah, I have this on my finger the whole time. Next, I'm going to show you this ring. Again, it's a very special ring because this is something which my parents gave me during my wedding. One of the rings that my parents gave me during my wedding. This is this diamond ring, okay, and it fits me perfectly. I love this ring. It's so compact, yet it is just so beautiful. That ring, you guys, it's a diamond ring. It's in the shape of a star, basically. And that's gold, and I love this. It's a chotu sa cute ring which my parents had given me, so of course it's very special for me, and I usually wear it all the time. Okay, now I'm coming to the next ring. This is something which my हस्बैंड स्लैश माई इन लॉज फैमिली के साइड से मुझे मिला था शादी के टाइम पे. So this is actually not my husband. Actually, my in-laws had given it to me during my wedding. So this is a diamond ring again. It's a solitaire, so it's very very special. This is, I think, like an engagement ring. आप बोल सकते हो. So this is what the ring looks like. Okay, this is a solitaire and it's built into this heart shape, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. Really really love it. Yeah, so I wear this all the time. I wear it on this finger. You might be wondering कि मैं ये इस finger में क्यों पहनती हूँ, ये तो engagement ring है. That's only because it's a bit loose for me and I don't want to wear it on my ring finger because I don't want to lose it. I wear it regularly. I wear it every day and I don't want to lose it. So इसको मैं shift नहीं करना चाहती मेरे ring finger पे. I think it fits perfectly fine on this finger and I think yeah, I have it on my body and my hand. That's what matters basically. Alright, the next one that I'm going to show you is something which my husband gave me when he had actually proposed to me before our marriage, before our wedding. So this is kind of a proposal ring, I think, and this is just so beautiful, so amazing. So he actually had asked me what kind of a ring do I want. It was not a surprise. I knew he's going to get a ring for me, but yeah, I didn't know where it's going to happen. I don't know what the ring looked like, so that part of it was a surprise, but I knew कि ring आने वाला है, he's going to buy a ring. So he asked me that, you want gold or do you want diamond or do you want platinum, or what exactly is it do you want. So I told him that diamond is something which astrologers have over the years told me to wear, and I also like wearing gold, so you can get me gold or you can get me diamond. So he decided to get me something which has elements of both, and it's so pretty, and this is something which he bought himself shop में जाके choose करके, which is just so special for me. So this is basically our proposal ring. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This has small diamonds all through the body, and बीच में से this gold wala layer is there. So since I told him that I like both diamond and gold, he actually got the perfect ring for me because this has, like I said, elements of both. And if I wear more rings than 4 rings that I'm wearing right now, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. तो मैं ये नहीं पहनना चाहती. देखो मैं ये थंब पे पहन सकती हूँ ऐसे, बट बहुत ऑड लगता है थंब पे रिंग पहनना, एंड मुझे एक फिंगर में भी 2 रिंग्स पहनना पसंद नहीं है. तो अभी ये सेफली रखा रहता है, बट अदरवाइज समटाइम्स आई चेंज एंड आई वेयर. समटाइम्स आई ओपन दिस मेरे पेरेंट्स का स्टार वाला रिंग एंड आई वेयर विवेक्स रिंग समटाइम्स. सो आई कीप चेंजिंग, ऑल्टरनेटिंग एंड वेयरिंग बेसिकली. सो या, दिस इज द नेक्स्ट रिंग basically. Okay guys, I have a few more rings to show you all, but before I proceed to the next ring, I just wanted to say something out here that I am not bragging, I'm not trying to show off, okay? There are people who make collection videos on YouTube and I'm just one of them. I'm just trying to share my collection with you guys. I'm just trying to share the stories of these rings, and yeah, I'm just trying to maybe help you with the designs. My only intention is that there is no bragging which is happening here, guys. Please I hope you understand that, and I'm not gonna get any hate in the comments. Really hoping for that. Okay, so I'll move on to the next ring. Now this is again a very special ring. So I didn't completely purchase it with my own money. What I had done is I had received a gift card from Tanishq, okay, and that gift card was of 3,000 rupees. So I went to Tanishq with that gift card. Now obviously guys, for 3,000 rupees you cannot get anything at all, right? And मेरा ना एक concept है about life, मेरा एक idea है, मेरा एक philosophy है that whenever you're investing in something, whenever you're buying something, buy something which is good, which is of good quality and which will last you for years to come. Just because आपको कुछ खरीदना है, just don't buy anything because you might just end up regretting it later that I just might have, put in some more money and invested in something better. So you're buying something, you're going to a shop and you're buying something, might as well buy something which is going to last you for years to come. So I redeemed the 3,000 rupees and I invested 11,000 more and I bought a 14,000 rupees ka ring from Tanishq. This is what the ring looks like. It's super pretty. I found this design very unique, when I had gone to Tanishq. मुझे ये design उनका इतना unique लगा. and I was looking for something sleek, okay, something which I can wear like everyday basis पे. तो मुझे ये डिज़ाइन उनका बहुत sleek लगा था. I had loved this design. जो gold है, that's rose gold, okay, and like you know, diamond cannot be set in 22 karat gold. Diamond is always set in either 14 karat or 18 karat. So the gold is 18 karat, and this was rose gold, not gold really. Rose gold is also in trend these days, you know, काफ़ी rose gold अभी चल पड़ा है. तो this is something which I got from Tanishq. And yeah, now let's move on to the next one. The next ring is actually a gift that I got during my wedding. I got this from Vivek's family, one of his relatives. उनकी तरफ से आया था मुझे गिफ्ट. तो ये एक गोल्ड रिंग है, बहुत ही स्लीक है, लेकिन इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत प्यारा है. इसको रेगुलरली भी पहना जा सकता है, इसको शादियों में, पार्टीज में भी पहना जा सकता है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही प्रिटी है, मतलब स्लीक है. Yet it's something which is very pretty. You can actually sort of style it up as well. So this is what the next ring looks like. It's a gold ring and also a very unique design. I love this design as well. I love that it's sleek, yet it's so pretty. This is also a bit loose for me, if I'm being honest with you. It's not a little loose for me. It's pretty loose for me, guys. Yeah, this is the one. Pretty loose, like you can see. मतलब ये मैंने ring finger में नहीं पहना है. I wore it on my middle finger and it's very loose for me, guys. For today's video, the last ring, let's move on to that. Now this happens to be, I just might be a little biased when I say this. This just might be currently the most favorite ring in my collection, okay? I'm just super thrilled and excited to show you the next ring because I got this with my own money. When you buy something with your own money, the excitement is just at another level. Whoever of you all agree with me, please comment down below and let me know. Excitement अलग ही level में पहुंच जाता है. I got this 2023 के धनतेरस में and I love this ring. I got this from, I just keep confusing the name of the jewelers, the full form. So I'm gonna be telling you the abbreviation. I got this from TBZ, okay? Yeah, so they exist since 1864. So this is a huge shop. They have this huge outlet in Delhi. But Mumbai mein, near our place, we also have a TBZ ka outlet. And I remember my mom telling me that, you know, her wedding jewelry is from TBZ. My granddad got her wedding jewelry from TBZ. So I got this exceptionally beautiful ring from TBZ this time for Dhanteras 2023 Dhanteras में. Every year since my marriage, Dhanteras के time पे I try to buy something. So it's been 2 years since my marriage and though Dhanteras have gone by and I've bought something. The first Dhanteras I had bought a pair of earrings from Carrot Lane, and this year I bought this ring from TBZ. Guys, if you are earning and if you have a source of income, I think gold is such a nice place to invest your money in because, you know, gold rates shoot up so quickly. I mean, I don't want to like sort of give you wrong advice. Gold prices do go down, but मेरे experience में मैंने जो देखा है, my money I think has grown the most in gold. Save some money every year. At least धनतेरस में कुछ भी छोटा मोटा खरीदने का try करो. गोल्ड में. इनफैक्ट आई शेयर्ड दिस रिंग वाला न्यूज़ विथ माई पेरेंट्स धनतेरस के बाद ड्यूरिंग दिवाली एंड आई शोड देम द रिंग वीडियो कॉल में एंड दे लव्ड इट एंड आई टोल्ड देम दैट, यू नो, instead of going and splurging on bags and tops and shoes, I decided to buy this on Dhanteras and they were so happy and proud, you know, that yeah, you're making good use of your money. So I was also very happy. So बहुत लंबी कहानी हो गई यार इसके पीछे. अभी चलो दिखा देते हैं आप लोगों को finally. This is the ring, you guys. This is the ring. It's so gorgeous. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is what the ring looks like. इसका मुझे वेट याद है बिकॉज ये मैंने यार अभी रिसेंटली लिया था, मेरे खुद के पैसों से लिया था, तो मेरे पास बिल सब है, मुझे इसका प्राइस भी पता है. इसका वेट इज़ अराउंड 5 grams, okay? एंड मैंने जब ये लिया था ना तभी गोल्ड का रेट उतना था नहीं. अभी 5 ग्राम्स का भी कितना बढ़ गया यार, मतलब बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो चुका है गोल्ड. गोल्ड का रेट बढ़ता ही रहता है. मतलब मेरी शादी को 2 साल हो चुके हैं एंड वट एवर द रेट वॉज नो बैक देन, the rate has multiplied so much, which is why I think every year buying something on Dhanteras is like a really really good idea. So this is the last ring for this video, which is the most special ring for me because I got this with my own money this time for Dhanteras. I love the design. So basically, you know, those vertical designs are really in. Okay, I'll insert a picture here. So basically they cover like this part of your finger. Those rings are really in. They are really trendy. मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को वो पहनते हुए देखा है recently, but मैंने थोड़ा सा वो ट्रेंड चेंज किया है. मैंने एक हॉराइजॉन्टली फिलिंग रिंग लिया है. सो बेसिकली ये ऐसे वर्टिकल नहीं है, ये ऐसे हॉराइजॉन्टल है, बट पूरा जो विड्थ है ना फिंगर का पूरा कवर होता है अच्छे से. एंड इसमें ना थोड़ा थोड़ा मीनाकारी वर्क भी है. हियर एंड हियर यू कैन सी सम मीनाकारी वर्क. सो आई थिंक दिस लुक्स रियली रियली प्रिटी. ये ऑब्वियसली मैं रेगुलर वेयर के लिए नहीं पहन सकती. दिस इज समथिंग विच आई ओनली वेयर ऑन स्पेशल ओकेजन्स लाइक पूजा हो गया या शादी वगैरह में मैं ये पहन सकती हूँ ईयरिंग. So that was the last one for this video. That's it you guys. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video and you loved the designs of the rings that I showed you in this video. In the next video or maybe later on, I don't know exactly when I'm going to post that, but I'm going to post another video on my imitation rings, okay? And I'm really excited to share my imitation rings with you guys as well. So do stay tuned for that and lots of other fun content coming up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell notification icon as well so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love. I will see you in my next one. Ta-da, bye-bye.